James Hill. Program is Robotics and Automated Manufacturing.
So hi, I'm Migdalia Lopez. I am a senior at Montevallo High School and I'm in the robotics program.
We have additive manufacturing, which is 3D printing. We have subtractive manufacturing, which is the CNC. And we have automated manufacturing, which is the computers and the work cells that we have.
So I decided to go into the robotics and manufacturing program because I thought I wanted to try something different. I was tired of the electives in my school. They weren't really made for me. I wasn't really interested in yearbook or any of those other kinds of things. So the robotics, it was about the machinery.
The careers that we have people going into is in mechatronics mostly. It's kind of a blend between computer science, electronics, and mechanics. And we have some people who like the production side, so they go in as production technicians, and as part of the program, when you're through, if you come 2 years and complete the program, you have a certified production technician certificate when you leave.
I wanted to see, well, what's going on in there. I wanted to see what are these little pieces and what can I do that too? Can I build that? Like, can I do that? And it just seemed so hard and such a like hard concept to grasp. And yet, being here, I was able to do it. It gave me sort of a step into believing into myself, and it just really intrigued me.
There is a very high demand for the jobs that you would be ready for when you come out of our class. We have several different companies that we work with that look to us to send our former students or graduating students to as part of their workforce and their work team.
So having a lot of one-on-one time with Mr. Hill too, and his just background experience in this field has guided a lot of us into what we want to do for our future plans. So he knows a lot about industrial maintenance, and being able to having this one-on-one conversations and being able to talk about what he went through and how he really enjoyed his job has kind of led me to want to also pursue a career in industrial maintenance. I'm wanting to do industrial management, and that's what I'm wanting to major in college, and I really do enjoy the program here, and that's what I'm hoping to do in college as well. And we're taught to use also like the FANUC arm and heavy machinery that we are presented, and whenever we do go to these field trips, we see the machinery that we know how to work, and we're like, hey, we know how to work that. Like, this is in our classroom, and I know how that works, and I know how to use it.
For someone who is thinking about robotics, I would encourage you to put your application in and come on and get started with it. I'd be glad to see you guys in class. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at j2hill@shelbyed.org. And I will be glad to get you all the information that I can and talk to you as much as you want to discuss robotics in the class and the opportunities that we have.